Harry immediately returned to England to confront King Charles after he stripped Meghan of her final royal title. "My wife has been completely stripped of her assets." Ha ha! Oh dear, what a shame. Oh, poor Megsy. Harry reportedly infuriated after his father Charles declined financial support to Meghan Markle. "Now, I ain't saying she's a gold digger." Charles told his younger son that he could not afford to pay Meghan as a member of the royal family since he was already supporting Camilla and William's expanding brood, according to Jobson's book reported by the Daily Mail. And rightly so, glad to see that King Charles is putting his foot down. One of the early disagreements between father and son was sparked by the bombshell. When the Queen asked Charles why he hadn't given in, he told her that he wasn't a bank, the author wrote.